How to upload and analyze Excel files in Claude. Claude by Anthropic can help you analyze spreadsheets faster than ever. In this video, I'll show you how to upload Excel files to run analysis and get insights in minutes. So first, make sure your file is saved in XLSX or CSV format. Remove blank rows or hidden columns to avoid confusion. If your dataset is huge, consider splitting it into smaller sheets for smoother processing. So go ahead and open Claude, and then from here, click on this attachment icon, and then click on add files or photos, and that will take you to your local drive. So simply select the Excel file that you want to upload. And then in here, go ahead and enter the commands such as summarize the sales trend in this file or identify missing values and duplicates. Claude can also suggest charts like bar graphs for revenue or pie charts for regional sales. So for example, I want to ask to summarize the sales trend in this file. So I'll simply enter that command into this section. Once you have entered the command, simply click on the send button to send your command. So Claude's analysis is text-based. If you want visuals, export the structured tables back into Excel or Google Sheets. For deeper insights, combine Claude's summaries with BI tools like Power BI or Tableau. So Claude is the best as a time-saving assistant for summarization, cleaning, and quick insights. It won't replace Excel or BI tools, but it can help you understand and organize your data faster. And that is how to upload and analyze Excel files in Claude.